In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the search icon on Shopify. If you're managing an online store using Shopify, customizing the appearance of your site is crucial to making your brand stand out and ensuring a seamless user experience. Sometimes, you might decide that a search icon just doesn't fit the sleek, minimalistic design you're going for, or perhaps it's simply not necessary for your business needs. So let's dive into how you can remove it effortlessly. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin panel. This is your main dashboard, where all the magic happens, and it's the starting point for customizing anything on your store. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Online Store section found in the left-hand sidebar. Clicking on this will unveil a submenu. From there, you want to select Themes. After you've selected Themes, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, you will see your current theme featured at the top, along with any others you have. Now, to make changes to your existing theme, click Actions. Upon clicking Actions, a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, you'll choose Edit Code, which will lead you to a page filled with a wide array of files. Don't worry if it looks a bit daunting, it's all part of the process. Now that you're in the code editor, look for the Sections folder, which is located on the left-hand side of your screen. This folder contains several files that determine the structure and features displayed on your site. Inside, you'll want to find a file that potentially controls the header section of your site. It's usually named something like header.liquid. If you're unsure, hover over the different files to get a sense of what they may control. Once you've opened header, liquid, or a similarly named file, use your browser's search functionality, typically via Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac, and search for terms like search, search form, or icon search. What you're basically on the hunt for is the section of code responsible for generating the search icon on your website. When you spot the right code, you can comment it out or, if you prefer, delete it entirely. Commenting out involves surrounding the code with a special liquid tag, allowing you to easily bring it back if needed without remembering the exact code. To comment out the code, use a combination like comment before the code and end comment after the code segment. Save the changes by clicking the Save button, usually located in the top right of the editor. Finally, return to your storefront and refresh the page. The search icon should now be gone, giving your Shopify store the clean and straightforward look you've aimed for. Always remember, making code changes can feel a bit intimidating, but following these steps carefully should guide you through it smoothly. Additionally, consider backing up your theme before starting any edits, so any mishaps can be quickly reversed. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.